Hi, my name is Alyssa and I'm going to show you how to use a yoga wheel. When I first started practicing yoga, my back bends, you know, they're supposed to look beautiful and bendy and circular. Mine looked like a square, and that was a problem. And they didn't feel good. They were very painful in many aspects. Students that have tight shoulders or have been athletic for years and years or do CrossFit but want to release some of the tension, this wheel is so helpful, especially if you love watching movies or Netflix. You know, you just get your wheel and then pop on that show and relax on it, or do some of these exercises. First rule of yoga wheels: if you have long hair like me, you've got to put it up, and you've got to put it up like in a bun, because if not, you are definitely going to roll on your wheel and pull your own hair, okay? Bring your wheel to your mat. You can find these pretty inexpensively on Amazon. First shoulder stretch I love is in child's pose. So a regular child's pose, knees however feels best for your body, hands on the wheel, and then you just glide it forward. It's kind of like that adjustment you can get with a block, but even better. So with the hands extended as far as they can be, hips still on the heels, then you might let the forehead come down to the floor. That might be a little bit too intense still. You might need to put a block right here underneath your forehead, or even a stack of books. You can always make yoga props from what you have at home, that's for sure. Okay, and now rise up. You're going to sit up against your yoga wheel and plant your feet hip distance apart. Yeah, and then from there, you just sort of lie back on it, give your weight to the wheel, and maybe even extend your arms overhead, grab opposite elbows, or my personal favorite, you start putting a little weight in your feet and you start rolling forward and back. And then when you find that spot that's just so tight in your spine, I don't know if you have one, but I do. I just pause there, let my arms come down, breathe. And you'll notice my hips aren't on the floor at all. All the weight is in my feet and then in my back as well, using the wheel. Good. And then you come off. You can do that for quite a while to really see and feel a result. Another option for yoga wheel is fish pose. Extended fish pose with the legs out straight in front of us, and you simply bring the wheel a little bit more to the thoracic spine, the mid back rather than the low back that we started with in the previous one. And then you might extend your arms. I really love to extend the arms and open the arms this way because it does just release a lot of tension from my shoulders. You might find that it feels better to have your hands on the ground by you. It's totally valid, legit way to take the posture. Do have a little bit more posturally advanced practice, aiming to advance your back bends postures, and specifically you're working towards full camel pose or kapotasana, you've got to use the wheel. It's going to change your life. So what you do for full camel pose is you bring the wheel to your backside, and then you drape yourself over it, grab opposite elbows, or maybe reach back with your hands and grab the wheel. And then you're basically, and I like to kind of adjust, yeah, just like that. You're basically in kapotasana, full camel. You just have a wheel supporting you. And you can breathe here. You can even hold it a little bit longer than you normally would, because you have that extra support for the spine and for all the muscles of the back side of the body. Let me know if this helped you. I'd love to make more videos like this. I just haven't for a while, so ask me some questions. Have a great night. Have fun, play.